Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video it's all about this hairstyle. Guys, this hair is so light. I did couple videos on how to style this hair, but I'm telling you, I never get tired on this hairstyle. I'm so in love with this hair, but y'all, if you are new to this family, you are welcome. My name is Glory Mtui, and before you leave, kindly hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell, and don't forget to share with your loved ones. So here we go. The name of this hair is Fluffy Kinky. This hair is from Darling, and this is number 2/30. It's a little bit brown and black. This is how it looks like. Let me open, and this is how it is in the pack. To braid my entire head, I use 2 packs. So I trim a little bit in the beginning because I feel like this hair is too long and I don't want this hair to be so long because here is summer. So I decide to trim a little before I braid. So after I trim, I stretch the hair to make it thin and easy to attach on my natural hair, because I just want thin begin so that it will be easy for me to crochet in, because if you put too bigger, it will be a little bit difficult to crochet in. So after I stretch the hair, I go ahead and I attach this hair together with my natural hair. How I attach, I divide my hair into 3 sections, and I also divide the braiding hair into 3. So the middle section of braiding hair just go direct to the middle section, and right side and left side I attach together, just easy and simple like this way. So after I hold these 3 sections together with my natural hair, I start braid. Here I braid normal way, like the way we braid, but at this point you may decide either to pick the first section from right side or left side. And when I braid, I make sure the middle section goes back of my thumb finger so that my index finger and thumb finger can help me to pick either right section or left section. That is how I braid, and I keep braid till end of this braiding hair together with my natural hair. And I make sure I put the thin end, because once you make end of this hair become thin, it's more easy for you or for me to crochet this hair in. As you see, this hair not so big, so you have to make sure the section you braid is also thin. You may see here I just finished braid only, and the hair can move from right, left, front and back. It's so easy to style, and this hair is painless. And you can style any style you want. So again, I divide my hair into 3 sections. This hair, just like this, the middle section go direct to the middle section in my natural hair, and then right and left I attach together. Right section goes to the right section, and left section goes to the left section. And then I make sure I hold this hair tight together with my natural hair. Then I start braiding. Hopefully the more you watch, you'll understand more than my explanation, because sometimes to explain how to braid is a little bit difficult. But once you look or you watch first time, second time, it's more easy for you to have idea on what I'm doing. Then I keep braiding, and I make sure I braid till end of this braiding hair. So after you finish braid, what you need is crochet needle, and this crochet needle not bigger. You need the thin one, because you don't want to unravel this fluffy kinky hair. So here is how you can crochet this hair. First, you must make sure you pass your crochet needle through the fluffy kinky hair till end, and then pull end of your braiding hair together with your natural hair and then pull it through. At the first time, you have to make sure you put the crochet needle, in small distance, then pull it out. And after you make sure beginning of this hair is well arranged, then you can crochet again and finish the tail. Then slowly pull through, then remove crochet needle, then pull it again to make sure everything is well. Again, I put crochet needle in between this fluffy kink hair, and then I hold my natural hair together with braiding hair, then I pull through. And as you can see, it's so easy to pull this hair through. You don't need to use any effort. Just gentle, the hair can pass through. So again, divide fluffy kink hair into 3, like this way, and then I divide my natural hair into 3. This way I show you guys different angle on how I braid my hair in different angles, because different angle I hold in different way. I hope this will help somebody somewhere. And then this way I put the fluffy kink hair on top of my natural hair, and sometimes or other sections I put under, and then I braid going upward. Then I keep braiding till end of this hair. And this hairstyle, it's so easy, guys, to style, and it's no pain. No pain at all. And yet this hair is so light. Everyone can achieve this hairstyle. It doesn't matter if you know how to braid or you don't know. I'm telling you, as long as you can get this hair, this fluffy kink hair, then it's so easy to style. In case this method does not work for you, here in my channel I have other different method on how you can install this hairstyle, and all of them, they are beginner friendly method. And I'll put the link in description below. So in case this method does not work for you, kindly watch my other video. Then hopefully you'll find 1 or 2 method that works for you. So this is the last section. And as you can see, this section I put the fluffy kink hair from front, and then I braid going backward. It's just same way I will crochet. As you see, I crochet, I make sure I pass the needle through, and here I pull the hair from back, and I make sure this hair is well covered. And this hair, you may decide to reuse them. It's so easy to take them down. So after you take them down, you may decide to do a simple wash. Then you can reuse this hair again and again, depending on how you want to style them. And guys, here I'm done with installation. Let me show you the final result. And guys, this is the final look for today's video. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video and you get something. You may see how fully this hair it is. Here is only 2-pack. And you can see how long it is. And here I cut. Hopefully you enjoy watching and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up. subscribe, and don't forget to share with your loved one. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.